Neck wrinkles treatment at home. There are certain things we can learn to expect as we become older. Unfortunately, one of them is neck creases and wrinkles. Skincare is a vital part of our daily regimen, especially as we get older. Here are a few home treatments for getting rid of those unsightly neck wrinkles. 1. Almond oil. Almond oil is high in vitamin E and is one of the simplest methods to revitalize your skin. You can nourish your skin and help it keep its suppleness by simply rubbing a few drops of almond oil on your neck every night. 2. Yogurt. Yogurt is a natural moisturizer that will help condition and smooth your skin. To assist with neck wrinkles, apply a yogurt mask to your neck 3 times each week. 1 spoonful of yogurt and 4 or 5 drops of olive oil are all you need. Massage into your neck and let on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. 3. Aloe vera. You might try an aloe vera mask for deep neck creases and wrinkles. Aloe vera can be acquired directly from an aloe plant or in supermarkets with the juice already extracted. Make a paste by combining 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel plus 1 vitamin E pill, broken open. Apply to your neck, wait a few minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. 4. Milk. Milk is another natural moisturizer that can really aid in skin restoration. Make a mask by mixing together 2 tablespoons honey and 2 teaspoons milk and then heat. Apply with a brush, wait 5 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat once a week. 5. Avocado. Avocados are a good source of vitamin E as well. They can aid in the control of skin rashes, the softening of your skin, and the prevention of wrinkles. Scoop out a tablespoon of fresh, ripe avocado and combine it with a few drops of coconut oil to make an avocado paste. Apply the paste to your neck and keep it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off. You may use the avocado mask on a daily basis. 6. Green tea. Incorporating green tea into your diet as well as your beauty regimen has several advantages. Green tea is a natural approach to remove toxins from your body. Add a spoonful of plain yogurt to 1 cup of lukewarm or cool green tea to make a green tea mask. This mask can be used 3 times per week. 7. Banana. Bananas are abundant in iron and lipids, both of which help keep your skin moisturized and robust and resilient. Combine 1 banana, half an orange, and 2 teaspoons plain yogurt in a blender to make a mask. Massage the mixture into your neck until it absorbs, leave for 10 minutes, rinse and repeat twice more. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.